animation system, which I have those two working great, but with Jigsaw, which I have working pretty well. But the issue I'm having, it'd be easier just to show you, I suppose. So go ahead and play. When we start, you can ignore the hand there. I haven't got my blueprint class all set up, but my animation blueprint. When I equip the pistol that's already set to slot 3, weapon equips, I can aim down sight, and everything works. Now that's using gun sight aligner, and you can see things printed to the screen. I'll go over that in just a second, what I have printing there. But everything's working, and that's not using animations, that's using just procedural bone transforms, etc. What's going on though is if I pick up another type of weapon, such as a rifle, you can notice in my print to screen there's an empty space there. I'll show what's missing there, but it's the reference to the character, and so when I aim down sight, it's basically going all wonky. If I was in third person, you'd see it, but long story short, it's not working. And I'm returning this error that mannequin character local is assigned none. So here's how I kind of have everything set up. We have our Jigsaw character, which is a child of the mannequin character from ALS. Within ALS, that's where I have my gun sight aligner. The main thing there is this variable gun. It started out as a class, comes with gun sight aligner. I changed it to the main firearm class, and I copied everything that was in the gun sight aligner gun over to the main firearm so that everything would work. Within Jigsaw character, the main function that we're using here is this on-rep active weapon, which I understand is called when a weapon is activated or changed. So what I'm doing there is I'm calling this macro get active weapon by active slot. It returns the equipped primary, cast a blueprint main firearm class, and then I set the gun variable. From there I print the string just to see that it's set, and so far in all cases it does, but it shows what blueprint is being used for the gun. Then it runs through this post attachment. This is where I'm running into issues with this calc hand transforms. So I have sandwiched in where the issue I'm running into is this reft character. And on the pistol it works fine, but anything else, get instigator, cast to the mannequin character, and it sets the mannequin character as a local variable, and then I print the string of what the mannequin character is, and that's what's not printing and not getting cast, or not getting set in anything but pistols. And so here's the weird part, is that all I have to change is the type in the data table to pistol, so now I have to drop that, equip this one, and now when I equip it, same weapon, same blueprint, but now the reference to the character is printing, and my aim down sight works just fine. Go right back to changing it to a rifle. And you can see no reference to my character and no aim down sight. So if anybody has any ideas as to what's going on there, I certainly would appreciate it. Thanks.